Question number 3rd of exercise 8.2. A shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2400 and sell them for a profit of 16%. Find the selling price of one article. They are telling us the cost price of 80 articles, but they are just asking the selling price of one article, and they had given us that overall there is a profit of 16%. Let's first write down what all things are given to us. We have question number 3, we have cost price of 80 articles, which is rupees 2400. Okay, and we know the profit also, which is 16%. We have to find the selling price of one article. Now we have to find the selling price of one article. Now first of all, we can find the selling price of 80 articles. Okay, directly we can find out. I had told you the formula also. In my previous video I had explained you how to find out the selling price directly. It is 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into CP. 100 plus, how much is profit percent? 16 upon 100 into cost price is 2400. So 100 plus 16, first we will solve the bracket. This 116 upon 100 into 2400. 0 0 cancel. Now multiply 116 with 24. So let's multiply 116 with 24. 6 4s are 24. 4 1s are 4. 6 4 1s are 4. 2 6 are 12. 2 1s are 2. 3 2 1s are 2. 4 8 7 2. So it's 2784. This is the selling price of 80 articles. Okay. Now let's find out the selling price of one article. To do so, you have to just divide the selling price by 80. Just divide it by 80 and you will get the answer. Question number 4. The cost of an article was rupees 15,500. Rupees 450 were spent on its repair. If it is sold for a profit of 15%, find the selling price of the article. We have to find the selling price. We know the cost price, which is 15,500, and 450 were spent on its repair. Now whenever there are charges like polishing charges or transportation charges, okay, or some kind of repair it required, all those charges, extra charges, are always added to the cost price of the article. Okay, suppose you have bought a bicycle, okay, and to get that bicycle from the store, you have to get it on a you have arranged a transportation for it. So 500 suppose is been charged, so that 500 rupees will be added in the cost price. Okay, so the cost price here of this article will be 15,950 because this 450 will be added to it. Profit percent is 15%. Now to find out the selling price, I have told you the formula just now. I had used also this formula. Apply this formula and you will easily get it. Okay.